Hey everyone, welcome to WhiFuN tutorial. So in this video, we'll see how we can download and install WhiFuN version 3 in MATLAB. Okay, so the first thing that we require is MATLAB, and it would be recommended that we have version R2025A or later because the version 3 was created with R2025A. The WhiFuN, the first version was created in 2022, R2022A. So it should work. Most of the features should work after 2022A as well. But I've tested it rigorously on 2025A and so on. So it all the features should work with 2025A or later. So once you have MATLAB 2025A or later installed, you'll have to make sure that these toolboxes, these MATLAB toolboxes are also installed. If you have MATLAB and if you don't have these toolbox, let me just quickly show you how you can install these toolboxes. So let's say you're in MATLAB. If you go to the Home tab, there's an icon over here called Add-ons. Click on that. So once you click on add-ons, you'll see this add-on explorer. In the search tab, you can type the name of the toolbox that you want to install. So in my case, let's say I want to install the signal processing toolbox. Here it is. So for now, because I have installed all these toolboxes, hence for me it's showing installed, but in your case, there'll be an install button here and you can click that button and the toolbox will get installed. So like this, you can install the bioinformatics toolbox, the image processing, signal processing, stats and machine learning, and so on. Optionally, you can also install the parallel computing toolbox. This is this will only be required if you want to do pre-processing in parallel, which will save time. So this is not a mandatory toolbox that you have to install, but if you want to speed up things and so on, then you would have to install the parallel computing toolbox. All right. Once all of this is set up, what you can do is you can go to this particular link, the GitHub link, from where you can install the WhiFuN toolbox. So let me click this. So at the moment we have version 3.3.1. I will keep on updating this, so there'll be new versions out there. If you want to download a previous version, you can go to tags, and then here you will also see some of the previous versions that are there. I only put the stable releases here. So these are the stable releases. If you go to the code, so this is like the latest, the absolute latest version that you will see. So this may or may not be stable, but if you want the completely latest version, then you can click here, download zip. I will put the stable releases in the release tab. So these will be the stable releases. But if you want to, be at par with what I am doing, then that'll be here. Right. Yeah, that's the 3.3.1. So you can click here and you'll see that the download gets started. And this will download the whole WhiFuN folder as a zip file. So I have the WhiFuN folder here, current version 3.3.1. So you can copy this wherever you want. For now, let me just, I've created a folder here, WhiFuN tutorial for that. And then in that, I have a folder called toolboxes. Let me just paste this item here. So I have the WhiFuN 3.3.1 folder here. So these are all the WhiFuN files. Now the next thing that I will have to do is download SPM. So you can download the SPM from this particular link. So they have the previous releases here, but for now, let us choose the latest one. So we want the installation that is recommended with MATLAB. Uh, you, based on your operating system, you can choose which installation you want. So it can be Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. With Mac OS, I have also sometimes faced the MEX file validation issues. So make sure you do these things. So that is how you'll be able to use SPM with MacBook. So you can go here, and then that's the file. So we'll install the latest SPM 2025. It's the same procedure. By clicking on this link, you will get the folder, SPM folder. So that's the SPM folder. Let me copy it to the same place where we have our WhiFuN. This is not mandatory. You can copy this anywhere. But once you have copied this, we will have to add paths to our MATLAB. So let's do that first. So in order to add the WhiFuN toolbox and the SPM toolbox to MATLAB, what we have to do is go on the home tab, and then there's a function, there's a button over here called set path. Click on the set path and then add folder. So we need to add folder to a path. Now go to the place where you have the folder. So for me, it is in this toolboxes, and then go to the WhiFuN folder. So this is the folder that you will have to add path to MATLAB. So you can just say open. So now we have done this. The other thing that you have to add is SPM. So you can add SPM. So with SPM, this is the folder that you have to add. So once you have added SPM and WhiFuN, you can click on this. So this is safe path for future sessions. So every time you restart MATLAB, you will have these two folders already added, and you will not have to re-add them every time you restart MATLAB, right? So you should click this and then apply. Now now if you type WhiFuN in the MATLAB command window, you should see this particular message and you'll see the GUI pop up. For more information, I have some links over here. So you have the WhiFuN documentation link here. So when I click this link, it'll take me to the read the docs page for WhiFuN. And here you will basically get the help for any function or all the features that WhiFuN has. You can browse through them here. You can also search for a particular feature that you want. So the read the docs is a very well-maintained documentation and widely used documentation uh, source, right? So yeah, you can come here, look at the documentation if there's any questions. I have my email ID listed here. So that's my email ID. You can, if there are any doubts, any questions, you can always email me here. And the other thing is the paper. So if you're interested in looking at more details as to how is the toolbox working, or if you want to cite WhiFuN, then you can click here. That's the paper. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.